Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide your following list on TikTok. So if you do not want other people to see who you're following, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make that modification. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok profile here. If you're unsure of how to get to this page, just select the profile button at the bottom right corner of the TikTok application. And then select the three-line horizontal indicator up at the top. Looks like a hamburger. Left click on that and select where it says Settings and Privacy. And now underneath Account, select Privacy. And then underneath Interactions, you want to go scroll down here underneath Following List. Go ahead and left click on that. So if you want to hide your following list, just select Only You, and that's all you have to do. If you want to set it to everyone, that means it's public. Only You means it is private. And like I said, pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.